Want Instagram to reply to messages for you even when you are busy? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up auto replies on Instagram. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right, scroll down, navigate to the option Creator Tools and Controls. Make sure you have switched your account to the professional account. Now you can head back, navigate to the option Messages and Story Replies. Now head over to the option Message Request. Toggle on for the option Allow Access to Messages. And who can send you message requests, set it to everyone. Likewise, who can send you group message requests, set it to everyone. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Meta Business Suite. Once app appears, you will need to download it. After completion of its download process, launch it. Now provide your Instagram account's credentials and log into your account. After you log in, you will be directed to this page. Click on the option More, then click on the option Settings. Now over here, you're gonna find the option Automations. Click on that. Click on the option Instant Reply. Enable for the option Instagram. And here you're gonna find this message box. Click on that. Now go ahead and type in the message that you're gonna send. After you type in, click on Save. So this way you can easily create an auto reply on Instagram. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.